Okay. The whole house is.
Mine is 10 seconds.
He told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning.
Hey God, funny thing. I was not recording this thing though. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, please don't make it your last. So guys, we just finished our Christmas party and my house is a bit messy. As you guys can see, like everywhere is so messy and dirty. So I'm going to take you guys along with us in cleaning this whole place. Like it's a Christmas, it's a reset. Yeah, today is Sunday, so it's a Sunday reset, Sunday evening reset. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean all this place, and tomorrow, which is 25th of Christmas, I'm going to my sister's house to go chill and relax and then have some fun. I'll take you guys along. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So guys, let me show you guys what my house looks like right now. You guys can see literally the whole house is all dirty. Like I am going to have to clean all this place, all of the I have to clean it. So loves, I'm starting off by packing Madam's toys, her new toys that she unboxed for the Christmas holiday. So I'm just going to pack everything and get the sitting room tidy up, like sorted out, remove all those toys, containers, everything I know that is not supposed to be in the sitting room. I will take them out. I'm done with the living room, so let's clean the dining table stroke kitchen area. Okay, I'm just removing all the mats, the tablecloth. I remove everything, dust the tablecloths, like to remove the food that poured while we're eating dinner, and rearrange this area.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for, she asked for something beautiful. She mystifies me, tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for.
So love, right now I want to wash the dishes and clear out all this place. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching. If you watch this extent, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you're new, hi, welcome to our space. Okay, so right now my brother also asked me that he wants to help me out in washing the dishes. I was like, okay, no problem, you can join me out as well, so to make the work much easier. Yeah, so the Christmas Eve was fun. We really enjoyed ourselves. So I'll be dropping vlogmas 25, okay, where I went to my sister's place to for a little grill party.
Something beautiful. Something beautiful. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for. Yeah, she asked for. She asked for. Something beautiful.
We are done washing the plate. We're going to dry it and keep the plate where it's supposed to be. And after this, I'll wash the cooker because it was dirty as well. I'll wash the cooker and we'll move to the next step, which is sweeping and cleaning of the floor.
Have you ever seen this? Have you ever felt this? It's a feeling so unheard. When every time I hear your voice, like my feelings having no choice. And every time I hear your voice, I wish I could remember. When every time I every time I hear your voice, like my feelings having no choice. And every time I hear your voice, I wish I could remember. All I want is take me down. All this time I've been trapped in, not knowing where my heart is. I've been telling myself to stop. Just make me whole. Just make me whole. Just let me
So guys, I am done cleaning the house, and I want to try and give this young lady some food so that she can sleep, and me, I can go and shower, a nice hot bath, and have my last glass of wine, watch a movie, and off, because Christmas was amazing. Yeah, so
Mama,
yeah,
bath.
you've already bathed, baby. You have bath. It's time for you to eat and sleep because you did not have. You did not sleep last night, so
bath.
you have bath. You don't bath already. Anyway, guys, so I'll see you all in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and comment. Thank you all so much for the massive support. I really do appreciate it. Should I take you guys when I want to come bath? I don't know. So see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.